This is the elevator at the Integrity Medical and Professional Building in Penn Hills, Pennsylvania. This is originally a Schindler 321A, but as you can tell, Otis modernized it. And it got that California button, that cheap California one, which is really weird. I've never seen it before. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's a 321A modded by Otis. This is really weird. Oh wow, it's a 3? Alright, good. Yeah, they seem to press like a different these. Here we go. This is really bizarre. Let's see. Three. Back down the ground. And your phone. California buttons. It's a really interesting, nice texture cap. This is a 321A modded by Otis. New controller, new motor. And I got the California call buttons as full buttons and as call buttons. The door control and alarm phone are regular. This is a really bizarre elevator. Texture here. Yeah, this is just a really weird elevator. I don't know when this mod was done, but there's clearly a 321. Is there? Nah, new interlock. I was thinking maybe there's a date. I suppose that's gonna be it. See, got the vertical door frame, so 321.